This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR NET Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Evolutionary biology questions. Observe 1. Which evolutionary force increases genetic variation within a population? Natural selection, genetic drift, mutation, inbreeding. Answer. Mutation. Mutation introduces new alleles into a gene pool, thereby increasing genetic variation. 2. What is the effect of stabilizing selection on a trait within a population? Increase variation around a trait. Favor extreme phenotypes. Maintain the status quo by selecting against extremes. Promote speciation. Answer. Maintain the status quo by selecting against extremes. Stabilizing selection reduces trait variance by favoring intermediate phenotypes. 3. If the frequency of a recessive phenotype is 0.36, what is the frequency of the dominant allele under Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 0.64. Answer. 0.8. Since Q2 equals 0.36, QE is 0.6 and P1 Q at 0.8.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
4. Which idea is central to Lamarck's theory of evolution? Traits acquired during lifetime are inherited. All organisms share a common ancestor. Natural selection drives evolution. Evolution occurs through random mutation. Answer. Traits acquired during lifetime are inherited. Lamarck proposed that acquired traits can be passed to offspring, which modern genetics has disproven. 5. What is the term for unrelated species evolving similar traits due to similar environments? Divergent evolution, adaptive radiation, coevolution, convergent evolution. Answer. Convergent evolution. Convergent evolution explains similar traits in unrelated species due to comparable selective pressures. 6. Which is not an assumption of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? No selection, random mating, small population size, no mutation. Answer. Small population size. Hardy-Weinberg requires a large population to minimize genetic drift and random fluctuations. 7. What does the fossil record most strongly support in evolutionary theory? Genetic drift, mutation rates, common ancestry and descent with modification, epigenetic inheritance. Answer. Common ancestry and descent with modification. Fossils provide chronological evidence for species change and shared ancestry. 8. Which type of selection most likely leads to speciation? Stabilizing selection, directional selection, disruptive selection, balancing selection. Answer. Disruptive selection. Disruptive selection favors extremes, potentially splitting a population into distinct species over time. 9. What best describes a synonymous mutation? Changes the amino acid sequence, occurs in non-coding regions only, is lethal in all organisms, does not change the encoded amino acid. Answer. Does not change the encoded amino acid. Synonymous mutations occur in coding regions but don't alter the amino acid due to codon redundancy. 10. What term describes random fluctuations in allele frequencies, especially in small populations? Genetic drift, natural selection, adaptive evolution, sexual selection. Answer. Genetic drift. Genetic drift is the stochastic change in allele frequencies due to chance, particularly significant in small populations.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launchpad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR NET Life Science together.